Check out that beautiful beef jerky. You can see the peppercorns in there. Got a really simple one for y'all here. Beef jerky. Let's start. Okay, it's day one and I'm preparing the jerky. So I just need to marinate it in this mixture overnight in the fridge for about 12 hours or so. And in that mix, I just did the Worcestershire, followed by the soy sauce, then the brown sugar, and then I also have this pink curing salt. Find the link down below. Throw that in there. And then of course the blend that we're working with here, the Mesquite Peppercorn lager rub. So I've just got some carne asada style meat here. It's all sliced nice and thin. I'm gonna marinate it in this for 12 hours, wrap it in plastic, throw it in the fridge, and then we'll go ahead and take it out tomorrow and smoke it. Okay, so it's day two. I'm about to pull out the jerky from the fridge. And I've had this going in there overnight. I'm just gonna pull it out, trim it. All right, this looks really good. I'm just gonna pull it out of the brine and then I'm just gonna go ahead and trim it up to whatever pieces I want here. All right guys, I've got the jerky trimmed up to the size that I want. Pretty nice big pieces there. I'm gonna use a dehydrator on this side, and then on this side, I'm just gonna smoke it in my smoker. I'm gonna test both ways. Look at that, we're like one of those YouTube channels like Chef Steps or something, testing two different ways. So yeah, if you guys don't have a smoker, use a dehydrator. If you don't have a dehydrator, use a smoker. If you don't have either of those, then well, you're out of luck. Okay, now for the smoke, guys. I went ahead and threw them in the smoker at 165 Fahrenheit for about 40 minutes to an hour. I went ahead and put them on a hard smoke with mesquite wood pellets, and I got this really nice color here. Look at how that came out. Now for the dehydrator, I just went ahead and threw them in at 155 Fahrenheit for about 2 hours. It took a little bit longer because it was a lower temp. And these came out a lot lighter in color and of course less smoky flavor. Gonna start with the smoked one here. That's delicious. Okay. The peppercorn from this really comes out. I could eat a whole bunch of this stuff. Good. Now let's try the dehydrated ones. Now of course the smoke on here is more mild, but for some reason the peppercorn comes out more with the dehydrated one. Both really good. I'd have to go with the smoked ones though. I really dig these a lot more. They're delicious. So yeah, this is how you make beef jerky. Hope you all enjoyed this. You can go ahead and store these in a container with one of those little silica pats, or you can go ahead and vacuum seal them, send them to your friends, family, whatever. And I'll see you in the next one.